Purchase it right now. Number 4 is Sovol SV04 IDEX 3D printer. Introducing the ultimate 3D printing powerhouse under $1,000, the Sovol SV04 IDEX 3D printer. Prepare to embark on a thrilling journey into the world of limitless creativity. This remarkable machine has 4 printing modes that will ignite your imagination. Equipped with independent dual direct drive metal extruders, the SV04 allows you to bring your visions to life in vivid colors and diverse materials. Whether you desire a mesmerizing blend of 2 hues or crave the stunning contrast of different materials, this printer delivers with unrivaled precision. Get ready to break free from traditional constraints, as the SV04 boasts a larger printing volume of 300 by 300 by 400 millimeters, providing more space for your wildest ideas to take shape. Its modular design ensures a lightning-fast assembly, allowing you to dive into your creative endeavors immediately. Experience seamless perfection with the SV04's auto-leveling sensor, which ensures flawless bed adhesion and impeccable print quality. Say goodbye to noise disturbances with the upgraded 32-bit TMC2209 silent board, delivering tranquility and stability throughout printing. So if you are interested in this 3D printer, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now.